Good morning, student. Welcome to Gyanjyoti online classes, class 10, English, chapter 7, the English first prize, chapter 7, and Princess of India's third part, Tree from Assam. Previously, we have discussed first part and second part. Let's review you. First part, a baker from Goa. That is the story of Goa, and then after Kaur, that is story of Karnataka, between Mysore and coastal town of Mangalore, that area. And today we are going to discuss about tea from Assam. This is the eastern part of India. So glimpses means I have already told you that is the partial view. Yes, that is not total view, some part of view of India. India is a very big country, and we are living in Odisha, and there are different parts of India and different places have different types of culture, different types of lifestyle, different type of language, different types of dress, different types of food items, etc. etc. So today we are going to discuss about tea from Assam. Okay, and in this chapter we see one of the boy, his name is Pranjal. And his classmate's name is Rajbir. Yes, Pranjal and Rajbir is the classmate at school in Delhi. Now both are the friends. They are studying in Delhi school. Okay. Let's see this Pranjal from Assam, but he is staying in Delhi for study. Okay. Let's clear. Pranjal's father is the manager of a tea garden in Upper Assam. Yeah, tea gardens manager. Pranjal's father is the manager of tea garden in Assam. Manager of tea garden. Whose father? Pranjal. Okay. Now both of them are studying in Delhi. Now, so there was the summer vacation, and here Rajbir, his friend, has come to visit the place of Assam, and what he observed and what he saw, the story. Let's start. Now, beginning of the story. Chai garam chai. A vendor called out in a high-pitched voice. Vendor means roadside seller or person who outside they yell, they shout and sell their things. और चिल्ला रहा है चाय गरम चाय. ओके, जोर से चिल्ला रहा है. High pitched tone voice means the loud voice. He came up to their window and asked, this fellow person who was selling the tea, what he asked? Chai saab, give us 2 cups, Pranjal said. Pranjal said to the tea seller that 2 cup हमको चाहिए क्या? चाय. Okay. Then see, they sipped the steaming hot liquid. Sipped. Do you know means जैसे चाय को हम पूरा चूसते हुए ऐसे पीते हैं. Sipped the steaming hot liquid. गरम वाला चाय वो दोनों पीना शुरू कर दिए. Both of them they started drinking tea. Okay, almost everyone in their compartment was drinking tea too. Yeah, tea was very important. Tea, all compartments in that area, in that place, everyone was drinking tea. Then see, the now conversation between Pranjal and Rajbir going on. Do you know that over 80 crore cups of tea are drunk every day throughout the world? Rajbir said. That means, about the GK, about the world history, that in the world around 80 crores, yes, 80 crore cups of tea are drawn. 80 crores. अच्छा हमारा GK knowledge था कि 80 crores of tea in a day, and in the entire world people drink. Then after seeing, Rajbir said, "Oh, smell Pranjal tea really is very popular." Yeah, he told Pranjal. Let's see. So both of them talking, the conversation is going on. Okay. The train pulled out of the station. Pranjal buried his nose in his detective book again now. Now they are going on by the train. Now Pranjal, you can see, is a good reader, time of railway journey, and how he used his time. I may ask you a question, student. Suppose you are on the train journey or something else. Nowadays mobile is common. Yeah, mobile, movie and entertainment, everything. But in this line, the important line I can make you understand, if you are a good student, instead of mobile, your mind will go to book. Yeah, means you will open your books to study, not mobile. Pranjal buried his nose in his detective book again. Rajbir too was an ardent fan of detective stories. Yeah, ardent fan means passionate, very interesting fan of detective stories. Do you know detective means story to find the mysterious person, okay? But at the moment he was keener on looking at the beautiful scenery. Now, here Rajbir is a guest. I visited this place in the summer vacation to Assam. That's why Rajbir has not seen this landscape of Assam. Yeah, Assam's landscape, well, its looking is too much beautiful. So Rajbir enjoyed the beauty of the nature. Okay, beautiful scenery. Whatever scenery, it was green everywhere. That's why it is beautiful. It's okay. Rajbir had never seen so much greenery before. Which Assam is the country of tea plantation. Everywhere is green, हरियाली है, सुंदर दिख रहा है. That's why Rajbir looked or admired the beauty of nature. Okay. So Rajbir in his life had not seen this type of beauty. Then the soft green paddy fields gave way to tea bushes. Whatever comes then after? Paddy fields gave way to tea bushes. Now, after tea bushes there is paddy fields. You know paddy fields? The plantation of wheat, rice. Okay. Let's see once again. Then soft green paddy fields gave way to tea bushes. It was a magnificent view. He saw this type of scenery. Magnificent means marvelous, excellent, wonderful, beautiful view against the backdrop of densely wooded hills. Densely means ghana, or too much trees, too much plants. That is called densely wooded. Ghana jungle, that is called densely wooded. Hills, a sea of tea. Sea of tea means, sea means full of water. Means this landscape is full of tree means tea plants. जो चारों तरफ चाय ही चाय का प्लेट दिख रहा है. That's why writer mentions sea of tea. Bushes stretched as far as the eye could see. पूरा आँख जितना दूर देख सकते हैं, चारों तरफ क्या है, चाय का ही प्लांटेशन दिख रहा है. Sea of tea. Everywhere we can see sea of tea. Okay. Drafting the tiny tea plants were tall, sturdy set trees, and amidst the orderly rows of bushes, visually moved doll-like figures. Drafting the tiny tea plants. Drafting means making it the good shape. Yeah, were all sturdy. Sturdy means very solidly built. Sturdy means solidly built, set trees, and amidst the orderly row of bushes, visually moved doll like figures, raw bushes. मीन्स ऐसे नहीं कि कहेंगे रो मतलब जितना भी लाइन लगाया गया है चाय का प्लांटेशन का पूरा ही एक लाइन है रो मीन्स इट्स अपीयरेंस इज जस्ट लाइक ए doll like figures. Okay, who saw Pranjal and Rajveer? Rajveer is admiring this beauty. In the distance was an ugly buildings with smoke billowing out all tall chimneys. Now in addition कुछ दूर में क्या देखें ugly building means not fine. Why? With smoke billowing smoke धुआं या smoke billowing means filled with air out of tall chimney. चिमनी से पूरा धुआं निकल रहा है थोड़ा घटिया दिख रहा है. Hey, a tree garden. Rajveer cried excitedly. Tree garden. Let's see. Yeah, Rajveer. It's new for Rajveer. That's why he spoke like that. Pranjal, who had been born and brought up on a plantation, did not share Rajveer's excitement. Yeah, for Pranjal, it is not new. He did not excite to see this sight because it's a very common thing for him. Every day he could watch. But for Rajveer, it is a new thing. That's why he is expressing too much. But that's why he did not share his feelings. Okay. Oh, this is tea country now, he said. This is tea country now. Who told? Pranjal. Assam has the largest concentration of plantation in the world. Yeah, very top. पूरा दुनिया में सबसे ज़्यादा चाय देने वाला कोई देश है, that is Assam. Yes, Assam has the largest concentration of plantation in the world. Assam state is very popular or very famous for it. Okay, you will see enough gardens to last you a lifetime. You see enough gardens. Enough means sufficient. On count. Too much. Okay, आप इस जीवन भर देखोगे. I have been reading as much as I could about tea, Rajveer said. About the tea he's studying. Oh, Rajveer, yeah. I have been reading as much as I could about tea, Rajveer said. No one really knows who discovered tea, but there are many legends. Now, he told Rajveer that actually how did tea started? How the tea people started drinking the way it's new and how. So many stories, many myths and many type of stories are there. Here legend. Legend means traditional stories. The story has some local history and that story goes on from generation to generation by speaking or by listening. That type of story is called legends. Okay. So what legends means about tea? चाय के बारे में भी ऐसा ही legend story है. Well, then whatever legend let's discuss. There is the one about the Chinese emperor who always boiled water before drinking it. एक चाइना की कहानी है. एक बार एक चाय का राजा है चाइना का एम्परर who always boiled water before drinking it. पीने से पहले पानी गर्म करके उबाला हुआ पानी को पीता था. One day, a few leaves of the twigs, कुछ उस चाय पत्ती का पत्ता, कुछ ऊपर का हिस्सा, burning under the pot, वो गर्म पानी में गिर गया. Burning under the pot, fell into the water, giving it a delicious flavor. Very tasty. Taste. It's full of taste. Yeah, very good taste. It said that they were tea leaves. To this number बोला गया ये जो पत्ता जो टेस्ट लग रहा है that is tea leaves and very tasty. Then what then? So from then onwards, in China, people learn to drink tea. Okay, this is one of the legend in China. Now another legend in India. Let's discuss about India. Tell me another scooped Pranjal. Pranjal scooped means just mock jokes or some ridicule voice. Or actually, one more story. Tell me about it. What do you know about that? We have an Indian legend too. भारत में भी ऐसा ही चाय के बारे में लेजेंड है. What is that? Buddhidharma. Buddhidharma, an ancient Buddhist aesthetic. Buddhidharma means Buddhism from Gautam Buddha, and that person from ancient Buddhist ascetic. Ascetic means monk. बुद्धिस्ट कोई साधु था. कॉट ऑफ हिज आईलिड्स, उसका आई आग का पत्ता को क्या किया, काटा था. बिकॉज ही फेल्ट स्लीपी ड्यूरिंग मेडिटेशंस. जो ध्यान के टाइम में आईलिड्स भी डिस्टर्ब करता है, उसको काट दिया था. ठीक है. 10 टी प्लांट्स ग्रीव आउट ऑफ आईलिड्स. वहाँ लेजेंड की इसके आँख के पत्ते से 10 ठो टी प्लांट पैदा हुआ. वन ऑफ द लेजेंड माइथ्स. फ्रॉम द आईलिड्स 10 tea plants grew out of the eyelids. Okay, the leaves of these plants, when put in hot water, उसको गर्म पानी में डाल दिए, and drunk, when he slept, जैसे नींद आता था वो तुरंत भग जाता था. When he sleep means no more sleeping. Sleeping was gone. Yeah, let's see. So how the two story about this, which is real and which is not legend story. Then after what happened? Tea was first drunk in China, Rajbir area. Now Rajbir had more information, more study. That's what we read told. And he also told that China, the tea, beginning of tea started from China. Tea was first drunk in China, Rajbir area. As far back as 2700 BC. Yeah, means around 5000 from today onwards, before Christ. BC means बहुत पुरानी कहानी को बताएगा. In fact, words such as tea, chai, and chini are from Chinese. What? Chinese language. Chai, chini, tea, ये Chinese भाषा में चलता है ये सब वर्ड. So it is proved that the tea's beginning and tea's item has come from China. It's clear. Tea came to Europe only in the 16th century, मतलब only 400 years before. उससे पहले उन यूरोपियन कंट्री चाय का इसका स्वाद और चाय का टेस्ट किसको मालूम नहीं था. Let's see. In fact, let's see. Tea came to Europe only in the 16th century and was drunk more as medicine. दवाई के लिए पीते थे. And then as beverage. Beverage means liquid refreshment. पहले मेडिसिन या refreshment. For refreshment they used to drink tea. It's okay. Now they are on the train journey. The train clattered into Mariani Junction. Clattered means rattling sound. ट्रेन उसकी आवाज़ करते हुए चलना शुरू कर दिया. ठीक है. Clattered into Mariani Junction. The boys collected their luggage and pushed their way to the crowded platform. Now the boys collected their luggage क्योंकि उन लोग उनका स्टॉपेज आ चुका है. The boys collected their luggage, अपना सामान उठाए, and pushed their way to the crowded platform. Way means they are out from this platform. They came out. There was too much crowd, too much people gathered in that place. That's why they had to rush and they had to come out from this place. It's okay. Pranjal's parents were waiting for them. Whose parents? Pranjal's parents. Okay. Soon they were driving towards Dhakiavari, the tea garden managed by Pranjal's father. Now they are from the train journey from Delhi to Assam. They are coming from two. I think so. But they are the two friends. Okay. Pranjal's parents were waiting for them. Soon they were driving towards Dhakiavari, the tea garden managed by Pranjal's father. Now, when they entered this area, they are driving towards Dhakiavari. Place name is came to this place. The tea garden managed by Pranjal's father. Pranjal ke papa, the manager of the tea garden, he will look after all this area. Okay. An hour later, the car veered sharply off the main road. Veered means change direction. Sharply off the main road. Main road से रास्ता मोड़ लिया. They crossed a cattle bridge and entered the cavalry estate. They crossed the cattle bridge. Yeah, the bridge name is cattle bridge. को cross करते हुए, they by crossing this cattle bridge and entered the cavalry estate. Finally, they reached to the cavalry estate. Okay, they finally. Now, on both sides of the gravel road were acres upon acres of the tea bushes. Now, when they come to this area, what did they see? On both sides of the gravel road, whatever road, gravel road. Yeah, the ridge of Patharwala road. Yeah, that's not concrete and that this road, that is simple road. Okay, gravel road were acres upon acres of tea bushes. Means plenty of sufficient. Okay, all neatly pruned to the same height. Pruned means cut in a good shape and design. Okay, and groups of tea pluckers. Yeah, do you know every work designated the laborers and servant. And tea pluckers means those who pluck the tree. They are the tree pluckers with bamboo basket. पीछे तरफ उनका bamboo basket रहता है. You have seen in photo in the Assam tea. बहुत सारे फोटो में पिक्चर में देखे होंगे. On their backs, wearing plastic aprons. Yeah, plastic apron को उनको पहने हैं. While plucking the newly sprouted leaves. Yeah, in these tea leaves, newly sprouted leaves they pluck, not the dried or the already hard one, very soft one. Okay, sprouted leaves put out shoots, very soft one. Pranjal's father slowed down to low a tractor. Now, Pranjal's father slowed down to allow a tractor pulling a trailer load of tea leaves to pass. Now, allow a tractor to enter trailer load of tea leaves to pass. Now, trailer load उसमें होते हुए उसको पापा उसको बोले, ठीक है? So why they did this better, this work? Why they use this type of tractor? Let's discuss. This is the second frost or sprouting period. Now once tea leaves is already taken, then they have the tractor and trail and they make it 1 second short. Yeah, 1 second it have to make it ready. Then you have to go on. It's okay. So this is the second clause of sprouting period. Isn't it, Mr. Barua? Yeah, he asked to another person, Mr. Barua. Rajbir asked, it lasts from May to July and yields the best tea. Rajbir is a good study in GK. That's why I spoke. It lasts from May to July. May, June, July, 3 months. And yields the best tea. Yields the best means it produces best tea. It gives reproduct best tea. Okay? You seem to have done your homework before coming, Pranjal's father said in surprise. Pranjal's father from Assam, Rajbir from Delhi, and Rajbir is going to Pranjal's house in the summer vacation. Now, Pranjal's father spoke to Rajbir, okay? You seem to have done your homework before coming. Yeah, आने से पहले you have finished your homework. Means you are a disciplined student. Let's see. Said in surprise, yes, Mr. Barua. Yes, Pranjal's father's name is Mr. Barua. Mr. Barua, okay. Rajbir admitted, but I hope to learn much more while I am here. Now, Rajbir, one last line says that but I hope to learn much more while I am here. In this place, I have learned more than that. Whatever I learned is not sufficient. So, student, whatever you have studied, that is not sufficient. You have to learn more and more. Every day, you have to learn too much. What you yesterday learned, that is for yesterday. But today you have to learn new things as you are the student of ICSE, CBSE, and student of Gyanjyoti. And I hope that in Gyanjyoti you should gain knowledge and try to spread according to the lesson. They are enjoying the beauty of tea plantation, also they are studying. You may visit your friend's house or visit your new spot, very nice. But in that, at the same time, you have to study also to gain more. Like this Rajveer told that about. But I hope to learn much more while I am here. Yes, I have to learn more. This may be the message for you that student, you have to learn more. Teaching online class, that is not sufficient. You have to study at home and to level, and when school opens, then after we shall study, all should study, and we hope that may the optimistic or the bright day may come that school will open, and whatever we are teaching in the online may be the open school. And I hope that this lesson I have discussed in 3 parts: glimpse of India, and you have to read repeatedly, then you will understand sufficient, and you will gain too much knowledge, especially part 1, part 2 and part 3, the tea from Assam, whatever I discussed. You go through hard words, whatever I discuss, I repeat the hard words, note it, and exercise also, textbook exercise, and additional extra book also given, that also exercise you have to do. And you do a daily practice, and I hope that you will score good mark in the examination. So have a good day, and I think see you once again in the next online classes. Study well. Meet you once again. Okay. Have a good day. Goodbye.